Hello guys, today I am going to start basic grammar series. For correct use of language in written or in spoken, basic rules, fundamental grammar must be clear to all. If we want to speak correctly, then our basic rules must be clear. Yes, we'll cover most of the topics of grammars in this video series. So keep on watching and keep on spotting. Let's start with the smallest unit of the language. What is the smallest unit of the language? It is a letter. Letter is an alphabet which is symbol of sound. To read any language we need some sounds, some symbols. These start from letter. Like in English, we see b. It's a symbol of sound. B. B sound symbol is this. K, F. These are the symbols. These single alphabets are called letter. So the next is word. What is a word? Word is a group of letters. जब हम letters को ग्रुप में अरेंज करते हैं that is called a word. But its sense should be there. We should arrange in systematic way. We'll take an example. Suppose I am writing here U, C, P. It's also a group of letters, but does it has any meaning? It's not in my knowledge if it has any meaning. If we'll write the same letters like C, U, P, it has a meaning. It's a cup. So, the letters which are arranged in systematic group, that is called a word. It's a group of letters, but it should be put in systematic way and it should have any sense. The next is sentence. What is a sentence? The sentence is group of words that is arranged in a sequence. Like if I write some words like is a book this. Is it a sentence? No, it will not call a sentence. These are different words, but this is not a sentence. If we write in right manner, in right sequence, this is a book. And we use a punctuation mark too. It is called a sentence. It has any sense. It is put in a correct manner. So, it is a group of words which has proper sense, that is called sentence. I have written here some sentences. Let's read these sentences. First is he is going to school. Second is what a beautiful flower. Third is shut the door. Fourth is who is this? Look at these sentences carefully. In these sentences, we have used the punctuation mark, full stop, then sign of exclamation, then full stop, then question mark. Are they same? No, these are different. So, we have main 4 kinds of sentence and 2 sub kinds of sentence. So, we'll read about these 6 kinds of sentences forward. First kind of sentence is assertive sentence. Assertive means declarative. Declarative sentence भी इसको बोलते हैं. इसमें हम क्या कर रहे होते हैं? We just inform. हम कोई information दे रहे हैं. We are informing. We are asserting any statement. We are telling any statement. हम कुछ simple बात बता रहे हैं. Like this is a book. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. This type of information which doesn't have any question, we are not exclaimed, हम हैरान नहीं हो रहे, हम किसी को कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं दे रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को दूसरे को बता रहे हैं, हम किसी को इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड assertive. We are asserting any information, we are making any statement, हम सिर्फ कोई statement बना रहे हैं, that is called assertive, declarative. In simple language we can say simple sentence. Yes, assertive has two types, positive and negative. Positive will be the same, like we have given the example upside also. This is a book, I go to school, we are informing someone about something. And in negative we can change it again in negative also, like if we are saying this is not a book. In this type of sentence, no, don't, verb के साथ no, ये simple no add हो जाता है, that is called negative sentence. This is not a book. इस तरह से इसकी टू टाइप्स हैं असर्टिव की, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज इंट्रोगेटिव. इन इंट्रोगेटिव what type of sentences are there? Where we ask any question, वो question form में होगा. Whether it will start with WH family or it will start with any helping verb. ये या तो किसी helping verb से start होते हैं या फिर WH family से start होंगे. For example, is it your bag? क्या ये तुम्हारा बैग है? Or it can start, where is your bag? तुम्हारा बैग कहाँ है? Where is your bag? तो या वो WH फैमिली से स्टार्ट होंगे वर्ड से, या फिर वो किसी हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होंगे. और सेकेंड थिंग, इन लास्ट व्हाट विल बी यूज्ड? क्वेश्चन मार्क. पंक्चुएशन मार्क जो यूज होता है इसके एंड में, दैट इज क्वेश्चन मार्क. So in interrogative, its identification is it will start from WH family or it will start from any helping verb. Helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, would, should. Any helping verb, do, does, did. Any helping verb can be used in starting, and in the last question mark will be there. Its third type is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences means in which whether we are giving any command, we are ordering someone, command, order, if we are wish anything, wish कर रहे हैं हम, कोई प्रेयर कर रहे हैं, this type of sentences will come in imperative sentence. इम्पेरेटिव में क्या क्या आएगा? कोई कमांड दे रहे हैं कुछ की, यू हैव टू मूव लेफ्ट, मूव राइट, दिस टाइप ऑफ कमांड. इफ वी आर डूइंग एनी ऑर्डर, शट द डोर. इफ वी विश समथिंग, हम गॉड से प्रे कर रहे हैं, मे ही लिव लॉन्ग, इस तरह की कोई प्रेयर कर रहे हैं हम. विश और प्रेयर अप्रोक्सीमेट सेम थिंग आ जाएगी इसमें, प्रे करना, विश करना. सो दीज type of sentences are imperative sentences. So fourth and last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means जब हमारी कोई strong feeling हम show कर रहे हैं, we are showing our strong feeling और sudden feeling, कुछ suddenly हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है या बहुत बुरा लगता है, तो जो हम वो फीलिंग शो करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लामेटरी. तो उन सेंटेंसेस को एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. सपोज सडनली वी आर वॉचिंग द मैच एंड सडनली आवर फेवरेट टीम हैज वन, क्या बोलेंगे? हुर्रा, वी वन द मैच। यस, अगर हमने कोई ब्यूटीफुल सा फ्लावर देखा है, वी से व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर इज दिस, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर। अभी इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है बच्चों को कि this sentence is also started with WH family, then what is the difference, how we'll make difference in interrogative and exclamatory sentence. So it has two difference. First, if it is a question, then in last punctuation mark will be changed. There will be सिर्फ WH फैमिली होने से ही ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस तो नहीं बन जाएगा। इंट्रोगेटिव में और सेकेंड थिंग क्या होगी कि जब WH फैमिली का कोई वर्ड यहाँ यूज होगा, देन वी हैव टू यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर, कि जैसे व्हाट के साथ कुछ भी हम व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल लिख रहे हैं या व्हाट अ प्रेटी बॉय लिख रहे हैं, कुछ भी इस तरह का वर्ड हम कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे व्हाट इज आ जाएगा अगर वो इंट्रोगेटिव है। अगर वो एक्सक्लामेटरी है, देन नो नीड ऑफ helping verb to write here. So it is the main difference. So these were the 4 kinds of sentences and 2 sub kinds I have told you. So today we discuss about the letter, the word and the sentence. So keep on watching. Next time we'll do the new topic. Step by step we'll do all the grammar topics, and I'll try to send you practice worksheets and revision classes also. So keep on watching, keep on following. Thank you.